Expressing remorse. A guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase in English, expressing remorse. Understanding this phrase can help you convey your feelings more effectively in English. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Expressing remorse means showing deep regret or guilt for a wrong committed. It's not just saying sorry. It's about conveying a genuine sense of regret for your actions or words that might have hurt someone else. This expression is often used in formal situations or serious personal apologies. It's important to understand that expressing remorse involves both verbal and non-verbal communication. Expressing remorse is crucial because it helps in mending relationships and healing emotional wounds. It shows that you understand the impact of your actions and are willing to take responsibility for them. This is an essential skill in both personal and professional life, as it fosters trust and respect in relationships. To express remorse effectively, follow these steps. 1. Acknowledge the mistake. Clearly state what you did wrong. Avoid making excuses. 2. Show genuine emotion. Your tone and body language should reflect sincerity. 3. Offer an apology. Use phrases like, "I'm deeply sorry," or "I regret my actions." 4. Make amends. If possible, offer a way to make up for the harm caused. Let's look at some examples. Personal apology. I'm truly sorry for hurting your feelings. It was wrong of me to speak without thinking, and I regret the pain I've caused. Professional context. I apologize for missing the deadline. I understand the inconvenience caused and am committed to ensuring it doesn't happen again. Expressing remorse is more than just an apology. It's about showing genuine regret and a willingness to make things right. We hope this video helps you understand and use this important phrase in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language tips.